Next is how we can add comment based help for a function, right? So basically we add a help document to a function to ensure user of function or command can easily understand about how to use the function or command to its full capacity and easiness, right? So the thing that we need to note is like we write help comments between angular bracket and hash symbol and hash symbol and angular bracket. So we write the help comments in between these two symbols, right? These two sets of symbols. We use keywords like synopsis, description, parameter, example, inputs, outputs, notes, etc. to define the comment based help for a function. So let's see a quick demo about how we can define the comment based help for a function. As always, before we dive deep into our next demo, let me name this demo as writing comment based help for a function. All right, let me take the example of same code over here that we used in our last demo. But before that, I want to show you something. Like if I want to see the comment based help of an already existing command or inbuilt command, like maybe get hyphen service. Fine. If I want to see the help of this command, what I can do is I can use help command. All right. So if I use this and maybe I see in a GUI manner. So for that, what I have to do is show window. Fine. It makes easy to see the things easily. If I run this, a new window opens and let's wait for the window to open. Yep, now it's open. So I can customize like what exactly I want to see out of my complete help of a command, right? So here by default I am seeing all the things like synopsis, description, parameter, and like name, required services, or maybe syntax, output, notes, examples, etc, etc, right? I can customize like what exactly I want to see. So maybe suppose I want to see only synopsis and syntax and description. Rest of all things I can hide or uncheck it, right? So if I use this, I can see like a well-defined synopsis is there, description is there, right? So all the things are there. But if I see the same thing for my already made function that was like get hyphen machine info, right? So if I see the same thing for it, let me define it over here. Control C and Control V. So if I run this command again, you can easily see like I have only two things defined over here, right? So even if I select all the things, right, still I don't get so many things like synopsis is there, very bad kind of things over there, parameters, right, and syntax is this, and input, output, no examples, right, and no parameters over there like what exactly I defined, right? So this is like something, you know, not very friendly kind of help. I don't see any example, right? Description is not there, synopsis is not in the same form what we want. So in case we want to change all these things or we want to add some more things, what we can do is we can write comment based help, and for that what we can do is let me copy the code of previous function from previous demo and let me copy it over here, right? So all what we have to do is we have to write the comment based help over here inside the code of function only, and by defining the symbols that we already discussed like angular bracket and hash symbol, right? And then to close the same, again we use hash and angular bracket. In between this we define all the things Like suppose I want to define synopsis, right? SY. Please ensure spelling should be correct, right? And the most important thing that I want you to make note, always we use dot before these things, right? When we define dot, PowerShell engine understands like, yes, I want to define some portion of my comment based help. So always use these keywords with dot symbol, right? Now I can define my synopsis, maybe like sharing machine info. This is the kind of short description of my function. And then maybe I want to define description. Description is like a long description, right? Like long detail about this function. So this is being used to display about my laptop stock, right? So anything we can define. This is just for an example. So I'm just providing the dummy text only, so you can use as per your requirement, right? Next is like I have defined some parameters, like maybe parameter, right? Our one parameter is like make, right? So please make a note, when we define the parameter in comment based help, we don't define the dollar symbol over here, right? And let me write like what exactly this parameter do is, this parameter is used to provide brand of laptop, right? And maybe like I want to define about second parameter as well. So what I can do is I can define again and like parameter, fine. Second parameter is my like operating system was there, yes, operating system, all right. And this tells OS of my laptops, right? And in this way, like we can define more things, maybe like suppose I want to define example, right? So how I can use these commands, like, so it's always better to write in capital letter, it gives a good impression. So maybe I can write like how I can use this command, right, or function. So maybe like I can write some code over here, like let me copy the function name, get hyphen machine info, and first example is like how I can run this command is directly by using its function name. And second example, maybe I can give like how I can use it is like this, and make is like del. So this is second example. Like this I can define multiple examples over here. Also I can define like input, output, right, and all such things, right? We can define all the parameters, like all the keywords which we see in any inbuilt command, right? Maybe like notes I want to add, so notes I want to add like who is the author, right? Suppose maybe you want to write your name, like let me write my name here for me and maybe you want to provide the reference of some website of yours in case your script, you can write like go cloudeasily.com or anything like this you can provide. Now we have written all the help about this function, like synopsis, description, parameter, like make, and parameter operating system. Examples we have written like how a user can run this function in different forms, right? So we can write multiple examples in case we have option to run our function in different forms. Also here we have provided some notes like about the author and website and anything we can provide over here, right? This is just up to us, but please ensure about one thing, that our spelling should be correct, right? Like we are writing example keyword, nodes or parameter, right? So please ensure their spellings is correct, right? If we have wrong spelling, then this help based comment section will not work, right? So we have written the this text, and let me run this and see what exactly new help we get, right? If we run this, and let me run help for this again, as you can see my help comments have been updated, and now you can see like synopsis is this one, description, parameters are like make and operating system has also been included, and if we see further our examples have been included, right? So how we can run this command? So in this way we can update our help system.